Hey everyone! Are you ready to go on an amazing ocean adventure? Let's dive in and count all the wonderful sea creatures we can find, from 1 all the way to 20. Come on, let's sing together. One little seahorse floating with the tide, so tiny and so cute. Where can it hide? 2 playful dolphins leaping in the sun. They jump and they splash, having so much fun. 3 colorful starfish on the sandy ground, with 5 arms each. Look what we have found. 4 gentle sea turtles, swimming slow and deep through the big blue ocean. Secrets they will keep. 5 funny clownfish in their anemone home, peeking in and out. They never like to roam. 6 speedy squids, jetting all around, changing their colors without a single sound. 7 happy sea lions, barking on the shore, basking in the sunshine. Can we find some more? 8 graceful stingrays, gliding through the sea, like underwater birds, flying wild and free. 9 curious crabs, scuttling side to side, with their little claws. They have nothing to hide. 10 glowing jellyfish, pulsing with the light, drifting in the dark, a truly beautiful sight. Wow, we've counted to 10. You're doing great, but there are still more amazing animals to meet. Let's keep counting. 11 anglerfish, with a light that shines so bright. Deep down in the dark, they light up the night. 12 giant blue whales, the biggest friends of all, singing their deep songs. Can you hear their call? 13 silly puffins, with their beaks so grand, waddling on the rocks, right by the sandy land. 14 wonderful walruses, with tusks so long and white, resting on the ice. Oh, what a magnificent sight! 15 awesome octopuses, with 8 arms to wave hello. They're super smart, you know, wherever they may go. 16 electric eels, zapping with a spark, a shocking surprise, swimming in the dark. 17 magnificent manatees, munching on seagrass. These gentle giants slowly swim and pass. 18 hammerhead sharks, with heads of a funny shape, patrolling the ocean, making a great escape. 19 narwhals swimming with their single magic horn, like unicorns of the sea, since the day they were born. 20 tiny shrimp, dancing in a line. We've counted them all, and it feels so fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We did it! We counted 20 amazing ocean animals together. You guys were fantastic counters. The ocean is full of so many incredible creatures, isn't it? I had so much fun singing and counting with you today. Thanks for joining our deep sea adventure. If you had fun too, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.